Aloha everyone, welcome to Vaihi Ukulele. Today we're going to learn how to play the Aloha Song. Yes, the Aloha Song. And it's pretty simple song to learn. You're going to need to learn how to play 7 chords. That's all, 7 chords. The first chord is F. The next chord is F7, B flat, B flat minor, C, C7, and G7. Exactly. Let's try that one more time. We'll do F, F7, B flat, B flat minor, C, C7, and G7. That is all the chords you need to know in order to play the Aloha Song. Alright, now moving on, let's start with the introduction. We'll break the introduction to 2 parts. The first part is in F, and it goes like this. A, L, O, H, A. A, L, O, H, A. Try that again. 3, 2, 1. A, L, O, H, A. A, L, O, H, A. You got that? So the next one of the introduction is, we're going to go to C. And all we're going to do is strum. Just follow me. 3, 2, 1, and... Let's try that one more time. 2, 1, and... Awesome. Now let's combine both and see how the introduction works. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and... A, L, O, H, A. A, L, O, H, A. That is the introduction of the song. Alright, now let's get on to the meat of the song. The first verse starts in F. It goes, I had a bad dream about an island that had no B flat to F. Let's try that again. I had a bad dream about an island that had no aloha. Again, I had a bad dream about an island that had no aloha. Next verse. Nobody helping, sharing, caring. G7, we need aloha. C7, ha. Okay? Nobody helping, sharing, caring. We need aloha. Whether paddling or raking or sharing food, aloha helps you see the right thing to do. Aloha for me and you. That's a lot in that whole verse right there. So let's try that one more time, okay? It goes, nobody helping, sharing, caring. We need aloha. Whether paddling or raking or sharing food, aloha helps you see the right things to do. Aloha for me and you. Awesome. Now let's combine all that whole first line together from the beginning. All right, it goes. I had a bad dream about an island that had no aloha. Nobody helping, sharing, caring. We need aloha. Whether paddling or raking or sharing food, aloha helps you see the right thing to do. Aloha for me and you. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna come out of the verse. It's in F. We're gonna go into what we call as a bridge. F7 to a B flat. Back to the F. Okay. So let's try that. F, When the aloha meter's low, it's low. It's time for you to go and help someone in need. Aloha is what the whole world needs. Okay, let's try that one more time. Coming out of the verse, going into the bridge in F. F said, when the aloha meter's low, it's low. It's time for you to go and help someone in need. Aloha is what the whole world needs. A-L-O-H-A. A-L-O-H-A. All right. Now that we've learned the song, let's combine all our chords, the verse and the bridge, the intros and outros, and let's complete the song. All you have to do is follow me. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and A-L-O-H-A. A-L-O-H-A. I had a bad dream about an island that had no aloha. Nobody helping, sharing, caring. We need aloha. Whether paddling or raking or sharing food, aloha helps you see the right thing to do. Aloha for me and you. When your aloha meter's low, it's low. It's time for you to go and help someone in need. Aloha is what the whole world needs. A-L-O-H-A. A-L-O-H-A. Aloha. All right, friends. We have now learned how to play the Aloha song. I want you to go home and practice, practice, practice. Until next time, take care and aloha.